Hi guys, Julie coming to you from the beachside reno. So I just wanted to do a little video here on a Sunday evening to give you an update because it's been a while since I've done one. But it's been a very busy weekend here. We've had the hybrid floors starting in here, so now it's really starting to take shape and feel like a home. The paint is finished on Saturday inside here, ready for the flooring to go down. So it's all pretty finely tuned at the moment. The flooring guys will be here still for a couple of days, putting carpet down in the master bedroom. The painting's all looking really nice. The ensuite, now we've got our corner shower unit in, and the plumbers just need to come back and finish fitting the vanity. So that's all looking pretty good. Coming through here, we've got a really nice big area here, and it really does feel lovely and open now. We've got the kitchen in. There's still some finishing touches in the kitchen, but we've just had the stone bench top put on this afternoon as well. So that's all starting to come together nicely. We've got a bit of a breakfast bar happening here for some stools. So that'll be a really nice family area here overlooking the patio, and plenty of space for a family to have everything that they need in this area. Coming through here, we'll be getting carpet in this bedroom. There's no wardrobe in this bedroom. We've finished the tiling in here in the laundry, and the cabinets are all in. So now we just got to do the splashback tiling, which I think is starting on Wednesday this week. We've got the bathroom finished tiling, just need the plumbers to come back and finish off now. Just put the vanity together yesterday. Then the back two bedrooms, we just need the carpet and then the sliding doors to go back on. But all in all, with the flooring now starting to take shape, and they gave a really good hard day's work at it today. It's a pretty big area, so these guys are pretty good. So yeah, very exciting. This week we'll see a lot of changes. So I'll come to you at the end of the week as well with another update. See you later.